Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Saqib Naveed Khan and I am serving in Divisional Public School as a subject specialist in English.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. My name is Sakim Naveed Khan and I am serving in Division Public School as a subject specialist in English. So students, I again welcome all of you in our today's new session in YouTube, and I hope you all are good and fine, and you already know about this our video lessons. So today's topic we will discuss about the today's topic. And students, I would like to say that this topic which we are going to discuss is very much important topic. So I want you to listen very carefully, and after listening the video and watching the video, if you feel any problem or any query, obviously you can ask me anytime in your WhatsApp group or in also in the Google Classroom. So students, okay, let's go. Are you ready? Okay students, very good. So first we will discuss that what is the topic today. And students, creative writing, I would like to say, very beautiful topic and very informative topic, especially all of you my dear students. Creative writing. And students, I would like to say that this creative writing in which we are discuss about the essay, that essay writing, how to write an essay and how to write a good essay. So I would like to students that you have to listen this whole and watch this whole video very carefully, because you all don't already know student that this create in this essay writing, obviously many students feel any problem, many type of problem while writing their essay, when they were writing the essay, writing the essay in your exam, in your semester or in the final or exams. So and obviously students, you already know that this essay writing helps you a lot if you are good in your grammar, if you are good in your imagination, if you already know that how to write the essay, and you know the steps to write a good essay. So this special video is actually today help you out a lot to write a good essay. And I'll give you a guarantee that after listening a proper this whole video, you're able to write a good essay. uh, each and everything which are actually the necessary, or you can say which are actually the major points of the essay, if you easily understand, and I hope mashallah you are my very good students, you can easily understand, it's not difficult for you. So what's you think now? We have to jump it? Okay students, so this is our today's topic. Very beautiful, and especially for the boys I would like to say that this topic is very much important. The most exciting football match. So students, in this topic obviously you are going to discuss a match or football match. Or so I would like to say that first we will discuss student actually that how to write the essay. This is our first task in this video lesson, and after that I will also present you a model essay for the football match, so that you can easily understand. And I hope that mashallah you are, I again repeat, you are very intelligent students, so you can easily understand the steps of the essay. So you can easily understand after watching this model essay of football match, you can easily understand that how to write a good essay and what are the major components, or you can say the parts of the essay. So this is our today's topic of the creative writing, that we will discuss about the most exciting football match. So first, these are our objectives students. So here as you can see that after watching the lesson students, you will be able to first you define the term essay, that first what actually the an essay and what actually a good essay. After that, our second agenda that we will discuss, and you will able to explain the structure of an essay. Obviously there is a structure to write a good essay, and obviously if you understand the structure of an essay, I'll give you a guarantee, student, that you can easily whatever the topic is, you can easily understand, and you can easily understand to write a good essay. So this is our today's second major topic, second major part of these objectives in this objective. And third, to plan and write an essay on a given topic. So obviously our today's topic is the most exciting football match. So also I will give you that whatever the structure of write a good essay, we will apply these structure to the our today's topic, that most exciting football match. We will apply these all structure to these football match. So these are our today's major objectives. So what do you think, students? Will we start? Okay, good. So now I want you to be attentive and also be focused, and listen this very carefully, because this especially this topic, student, and especially this video is not only helping you in your 6th class, but it will also give you a lot of help in your all the next classes, and even in your board classes, I would like to say. So let's go. So first, students, we will discuss that what is actually creative writing. What actually, obviously we already know about that creative writing, and obviously creative writing is, and today the topic is also our is creative writing. But today we will discuss that. First I would like to tell you that what actually is creative writing. So students, creative writing actually expresses thoughts and ideas in an imaginative way. So in the simple words, you can easily say that that whatever the imagination, obviously imagination come from your mind. So when such type of ideas come from your mind, and when you start to write in your paper, obviously this is called the creative writing. In the simple words, you can easily understand. Second, obviously it is a very powerful tool. You can say that obviously we cannot deny the importance of the creative writing, and it's obviously very important and powerful tool. Third, it helps us in our social and individual growth. Obviously if you are good in your imagination, it will help you in you and us in our social and our individual growth. So this is a little bit introduction of creative writing. I hope you easily understand that what actually the creative writing. So, and obviously the essay writing is the part of this. So now we will come to our the major and the main topic. So what is actually a creative essay? First we will discuss that what actually the definition. Obviously essay, we will discuss about it. So students, here as you can see in your slide, that the word essay is both a noun and a verb. You can see that both come with the noun and the verb. So first, as noun, it means a short piece of writing on a particular subject. Got my point? That in the simple word, you can say that a short piece of writing on any paper, or in any particular or any specific subject. When you write on any particular and specific subject, any short piece of paper according to the noun point of view, so this is called an essay. And in the verb point of view, you can say that it means to attempt or to try. So if you focus and if you understand, you know that you can easily understand that both the definition of the noun and the verb are little bit, or you can say are major interlinked with each other. Both in some sense, you can say that both noun and verb have the same definitions. So this is actually the, you can say that the definition of a creative essay, and that as a noun it means a short piece of writing on particular subject, and as a verb it means to attempt or to try. Got my point? Okay. So now we'll go Are you ready for the next slide? Okay, very good. Here is the perfect definition is present in front of you, that what actually the definition of essay. So student, an essay is a composition on a specific comprising 4 or more paragraphs, where each paragraph is an expansion of one idea related to the topic. I hope you usually understand the wording. I don't think so that I have to explain this more. That this is actually an essay. That essay is actually composed of some specific 4 or more paragraphs. You can easily say that, and where each paragraph is an expansion of one idea. Got my point? That each paragraph is explaining something or explain one idea, and that one idea is obviously related to the topic. So this is the best definition of the essay. Here students are some steps for writing an essay. So first is ideas or the subject matter, or you can say that brainstorming. This is the first step for writing an essay, that you should be mentally capable to write a good essay. It's based on your imagination, student. If your imagination is good, if you focus more, if you think more, obviously you will able to write a good essay. Then after that, second major part is coherence. Coherence is also very much important. And third is grammar. Obviously you can say that, and I would like to say that grammar is one of the major factor. Obviously if you are students, if you are good in grammar, obviously you can write a good essay, because these imagination, when you are going to write whatever the imagination you have in your mind, you have to write that on your paper. So that imagination, when you are writing, you are in good in grammar. So this third step is very much important for writing a good essay. And obviously the fourth one is spelling and punctuation. Spelling should be good, punctuation should be good. You should know about what the good spelling. You should be good in grammar. You should be good in coherence. You should be good in your brainstorming. So these are some main 4 steps for writing a good essay. And I 100% fully agree, and I 100% believe, I would like to say that my all students, you are mashallah very good in all these 4 steps. So you can easily write a good essay. Okay students, so the first is organizing the ideas. So obviously this is a very important, that first you have to, whatever, for example, if there is any topic in your mind, so first you have to organize the ideas. The first point is that prepare an outline of essay. So obviously you should have to prepare an outline for that specific essay, that whatever the topic is, you have to write an outline. After that, put all the connected ideas together. Obviously you have many different ideas in your mind. Now this is the second very important, that you have to connect all the ideas together. Now this actually in the previous slide, as you can see, that we'll discuss about the brainstorming. So now that brainstorming help you out in this organizing the ideas. Got my point? Okay, very good. So here students, this next is the writing process. So write the first draft by developing the ideas. So now whatever the ideas you have in your mind, now it is the time to write in the hard form, and to write in the paper, so you can the other people easily understand. You can, so you personally easy and you personally capable to emerge all the ideas, because obviously it is very difficult for you to emerge all your ideas in your brain, but obviously when you write in your paper, you can easily emerge these ideas. Here the next point, check the essay. So revise your essay before writing the final draft. This is the thing. First point, rearrange your ideas in different position, and check the grammar, vocabulary and sentence structure. So these are very much important point to write a good essay. Here are the parts of, now this is very much important, now parts of the essay. Now first part is actually the introduction. Keep this thing in your mind, students. Listen very carefully. The first part is the introduction, and in the introduction it usually consists of a single paragraph. Got my point? That introduction is based on single paragraph, and it is the most important part of the essay. Got my point? Because if you're I know you already heard the saying that the first impression is the last impression. So if your first paragraph is good and the perfect and eye catching, so obviously your the rest of the material will give you a boost, I would like to say. So this is the part, the parts of the first part is the introduction, and these two parts should be keep in your mind to write a good essay. The second part is obviously the body structure, and it based on two or more paragraphs. Now it depend upon the, you can say, the length of the essay. So mostly the body structure is based on two, sometime more than 3, 4, 5, whatever the requirement is. So second part, the first part of the essay is introduction, okay, and the second is the body structure. So then each paragraph should explain a separate idea related to the topic. Now in the body structure, it doesn't mean that each, obviously if the body structure is based on 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs, each paragraph should explain a separate idea related to the topic. So this is very much important for a good and the excellent essay. And the last one is obviously the conclusion, the closing paragraph of the essay. You can say what actually the conclusion is. Obviously the closing paragraph of the essay, an essay must conclude logically. It deals with the summary of the essay. So obviously in the conclusion, students, you discuss about that the ending, or you can say that you summarize the whole essay in one paragraph. So this paragraph again very much important as the introduction, and obviously it must conclude with logically. Obviously it in the simple word you can say that conclusion, or you can say then one more heading you I would like to say that your personal analysis. Now this conclusion is based on your own ideas, that what you think, what is your personal views related to that topic. So this is very much important, again conclusion. So in essay writing, now I hope you understand, now essay is based on 3 major topics. The first, the 3 major parts especially. The first is introduction, second is body structure, and the third is conclusion. Now these 3 are the, you can say that the paragraph which are very important to write a good essay. These 3 parts. Now if you keep these 3 parts, you know about the introduction, you know about the body structure, you know about the conclusion, obviously I'll give you a guarantee that you can get full marks. Not full, but obviously you are easily to get 80 to 90% marks, that if you keep these 3 steps in your mind while writing a good essay. Got my point? Okay, excellent. Obviously you are very good student, and mashallah excellent students, and obviously you can easily understand. So now here our today's topic, essay writing, the most exciting football match. So here I will present a model less essay in front of you, so you can easily understand. So first now we will keep, students, now we will keep the topic in our mind, and whatever the basic steps which are necessary for writing a good essay, we will keep that steps in our mind, and then we will. Now first, our step to write a good essay was what we have learned, that yes students, introduction. So now you have to keep these 3 things in our mind, that first if we write a good, now we have the topic. Our topic, today's topic is the most exciting football match. Now we will apply all 3 steps for writing a good essay in this topic. In introduction, you first will discuss the introduction of the football, importance of football in world, you already know about that, and importance for students related to physical health especially. So these things you should keep in your mind, and obviously these things you should have to write in your essay. But however, I'm presenting you a model lesson, so something I will emerge in this so you can easily understand. Second is again body structure. Now in the body structure, we will discuss. Now first, you are obviously we are discussing about a match in which we are personally present. So obviously, so we will discuss such type of. So in body structure, you are going to discuss that how the match started. Then you will discuss obviously the football match is based on two half, the first half and the second half. So and the third and the last one is the feeling of the spectators. So now as you can see that four major things which you have to keep in your mind while the body structure of the essay, that how the game started, then the first half, then the second half, and then last the feelings of the spectators. And here is the conclusion. Obviously in the conclusion you will write your personal views. The major focus that we will discuss, that feelings after the game, that what were the feelings of the player, of the audience, of the spectators, and of the guest, and all the stuff like that, and your personal views. Obviously that is very much necessary to write and good conclusion. And here is your note, student, that use simple present tense, or you can say that present indefinite tense, to write this essay, because actually you are going to discuss a football match in which you were personally present. So obviously you try to write in a present tense. So obviously this is the good essay should be based on this. So now here is a little bit model lesson in front of you. Obviously I try to write some basic point. Obviously there's some points are skipping, but however I try my best to write a good points. So first is the introduction, that football is an international game. I had the occasion, the witnesses an interesting football match a few days ago. The game was played between our school DPS and our neighboring Pilot High School team in our school field. So obviously in this introduction, obviously you can add some things like that, like you can discuss that it is very much necessary for the students, and students should play these healthy types of activities which makes you good and physically perfect. So this is a little bit introduction. Obviously you can easily understand what actually the basic idea which we are going to discuss and deliver. Now here, as you can see, the body structure. Now here as you can see that there are four paragraphs based on the four paragraphs in this body structure. The first, the how started. Now in the how started, we are going to discuss the how the game started. Obviously in the game the player first entered the field, then there's a lot of, obviously there is a toss and obviously the referee whistle, all stuff like that. And obviously then after that the first half, in the second half, and obviously the last 5 minutes. So obviously you can easily understand that these after writing this such type of body structure, so you can, or now as you can see that in all these four paragraphs, each paragraph are giving a different idea related. Each paragraph is different, but each paragraph is related, is interlinked to the focusing on the topic. So these are the such type of body structure is good to writing a good essay. And here is the conclusion. So in the conclusion you will write the feeling after the game. So through the game was very good, and obviously your personal views should be added in the essay, that what was your personal views, and obviously that is a good game. So students, I hope you can easily understand now. You are easily understand that what actually things are required to write a good essay, and mashallah you are very good students. So I hope that you can easily understand, and I again repeat that if you feel any problem and any query, you can ask me anytime in your WhatsApp group. So here is, students, is your home task, that now it's your responsibility to write a good essay on the most exciting cricket match. So now it's your turn to write a good essay. Obviously I again have to write a good essay. So you have to write an essay on the most exciting cricket match. Now I hope you have all things in your mind, whatever the things are required, whatever the steps, especially introduction, body structure and conclusion. and your personal views also are added in your conclusion. So now it's your turn to write an essay on the, and your topic is most exciting cricket match. Got my point? So I hope that you now easily understand. I hope this lesson also student help you out more related to the essay. And if you feel any problem and any query, I again repeat, you can ask me. I again repeat these sentences, students, because I want you that you have to listen and you have to prepare this topic very very carefully, and obviously this topic will help you out in your next classes also. So thank you so much, my dear students, and I want all of you students to be attentive in your class, especially in your WhatsApp group, in your Google Classroom, and try to stay in your homes, especially during in this COVID-19. And I pray all of you that Allah Pak give you more success and happiness in your life, and stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much. I again repeat, I again obviously like to repeat, obviously I will be available for you in the WhatsApp classes or in the group, so you can ask me or you can ask other English teacher anytime if you feel any problem and any query. Thank you so much. God be with you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.